Hello everybody, welcome back to this other trade recap. It's been a pretty rough stretch, not that crazy, but again, unfortunately today, another small loss. Still trying to keep risk the right way I intend to. We are in a bit of drawdown now, but again, still have few more other full stop loss to counter, but again, maybe today my stop was a bit too tight, but I'm gonna talk through the trades and speak about it as soon as we can. Okay, so as we can see, this was my trade here. Okay, so we can see today crypto market took a bit hit. London and Asia kind of consolidated. Okay, so we went here, then we took Asia low and PM low, perfectly reacted for me. Actually, London was way better. Look at this amazing reversal. Okay, I'm gonna also release a video about wicks and bodies very soon, but again, look at this, how perfect. Probably here there was a 3 minute. Just gonna show a bit how a very good trade looks like. Yeah, there is a small 3 minute, but again, well, maybe there's a 5. No, okay, there is just this 1 minute here. This perfectly taking PM and taking Asia low. The wicks do the damage, so the wicks touch the liquidity, so Asia and PM low, and then we inverse this first gap here. And actually we don't inverse it here. Yes, we do inverse it. Then we come back immediately to it. But again, this could be kind of a protected low, and you can put your stop below here, and then your target would have been way up there. Again, this is London, but of course, first target maybe be break even here, and then you can target all the way up here. Again, London doesn't move that much, but this could have been a really nice one. So going to New York, we dumped at the start, and today was PMI, so I was waiting for 10 for news. Okay, so PMI was 9:45, and then we also had other news at 10. So before 10, nothing, so I'm just stalling here. Price moved down. We have our first presented gap, which is this one here. So we want to see how price reacts to it. So price comes down, goes to this 15-minute gap, reacts from it, then goes back to this 5 minute. This was 5 minutes. And goes back to the first presenter and comes back. Reacts again, come back and react. Okay. So first presenter has been really powerful today, 2 times already. So we kind of want to see what happens now. Okay. We do a deeper retracement, we take more lows. And here is 0.5 of the 15-minute bullish. Okay. So we're reacting from nice point. Okay. We already took a lot. We can of course go down more and fill this 4-hour and take this hourly lows, which we are trying to do now. But again, we still have nice reaction from this. Okay, so it's 10. We have news candle. Okay, so we go up again. This is a 3-minute gap. We react twice from it, and after we react after this candle, we have a really good push. Okay, so 1-2 candles, really good push, and inverse this 3-minute. Okay, so the 3-minute was the higher inversion of this. Also PB took it. You can take the retap here. I waited a bit because again I didn't like in PMI, but after we have too many gaps. After we go above, we immediately go below. Okay, but again here we react very nicely to this order block, and we do a BPR. So we inverse this BPR, so this 1 minute, so 2 displacing candles here looking at each other, BPR, and close again above that. That's amazing, no? Like amazing. So entry here, here, and then here is your break-even point, and then you could target the 5-minute unfilled all the way up here. Okay, so either way, probably it's going to be a break-even day because the first presenter is very powerful, but again, you take your chance. Stop loss was below this candle. I think should have been right around here. Okay, should have been a little bit more. Unfortunately, price then absolutely went back to it immediately. Respected again this order block, went again a little bit above, but again we're just hanging around here. Terrible conditions, and then we finally go to down. Again, if I put my stop below this here, wouldn't get tapped out here. Still would be in, would be in, would be in. Then here we'll have a great displacement candle. Take this size, put BE above this here, and that would have been completely crushed again. So terrible day to trade with. Again, I'll also after that look at this horrible, okay, horror. But yeah, that's what we got. I took action, worked out perfectly a lot of other times, and yeah, again, Monday didn't take it, it went good. Friday took it, it was bad. Today I took it, was bad. So kind of a bit unlucky with the last few stretch of days. But again, you take your action, you take your risks, and it will at the end benefit you in the long run. So I hope, because stalling and waiting was my problem a lot. And my mistake is that the past few weeks, I didn't take a lot of good, really winning trades. The past weeks I would have been up so much, but I didn't take it. And now that I'm taking it, unfortunately it's a bit unlucky and it doesn't work, but it's the same trades I would have taken a week ago that perfectly worked out. Also here we inversed the 5 minutes, so there was no need to again retrace and go back. So yeah, just bad. I think from now on we'll skip PMIs directly, and yeah, that's kind of it. That's kind of my suggestion. PMI could work, yes, but in my experience, I always remember, oh, there's PMI. So a lot of times just skip it. If there is a winning trade in PMI, let it be, but I can avoid these bad ones and save capital, of course, for the future. So also again, PB took it, so shows that I'm kind of getting there toward how they think, what they do. Of course, we can add our first presenter that in this case could have kind of saved us, because maybe would have waited above the closure of this to be more patient, maybe. Here there was also 5 minutes, but again, we look at the last trading leg and this was it. They don't count this anymore, but in this case you can see here, perfectly respected the 0.5, boom, go down. So yeah, that's kind of my own 2 thoughts, and it's not that late, but I'll see you in the other videos, and I hope to go back and try and stream and record more of these live trades with the P&L and post them on the reels on TikTok. So I hope I can try to figure out how to do that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next trade recap. Peace.